Hello friends, now I'm going to teach you how to share file using Google Drive. Means you don't have to email, you have to go to Gmail and share file. You have to just go to Google Drive directly. See, I'll just showing you. Go on options, go on Google Drive, and here you will see a plus button. There you have to upload a file. So see, you have uploaded a file, and this is a 55 MB file. It's been just getting uploaded. I'll show you how to share the file using Drive, not on Gmail but on Google Drive. It's been getting uploaded. See, a file is using uploaded. Okay, I'll just now refresh on it, and there's a file. So you have to go to right click, share. Okay, you have to email it now. Suppose I want to mail this person, I'll just see and here's an option, view comment editor. Means you have to go to select comment editor so that the opposite one can download the file, otherwise he can't download the file. So just click, and there's a message also. It's same as Gmail but it's little bit different. Just click send option, and now the opposite one can download the file using a Google shareable file. Thank you.